welcome back. This video is brought to you guys by Hakii, and we're taking a look at their all-new Hakii Time. Now, these are a really cool pair of headphones that have automatic noise cancellation built directly into them. I guess the official term for it is active noise cancellation, or ANC. What this means is you take them out of the case, and there's absolutely no wires you have to deal with. Then it uses a special type of Bluetooth to connect faster than usual. After that, you put them into your ear, and just like that, you can hold down the touch-sensitive headphones themselves, and get this, all you have to do is hold them down for a few seconds, and it will turn on the awesome ANC. Or it even has a mode called transparent mode, and basically this will let noise in, so even when you have music going, you can still hear what's happening in the world around you. It's really cool. Now, what else do we have to deal with? Well, sound quality is very important. You see, oftentimes with noise canceling headphones, sound quality is degraded just a little bit. However, this uses a DSP chip processing and a high quality noise reduction microphone that basically means it captures all the external noise, shoots it back out itself, and makes it so, it doesn't degrade the audio quality and all of that. So this thing basically knows when there's like crazy sounds out there like airplanes, and it will lower that, or when there's just like chatter going on outside, it'll know that the frequencies are a little different, and it will tweak the noise canceling based on that. You also have something called ENC. This is call noise cancellation, so basically the person on the other end can hear you a lot better even when there's a lot of stuff going on outside, even better than your iPhone itself. So all in all, these things are really cool, but one thing a lot of people might ask about is battery life. How good is the battery life? Really good. 20 hours good. So with the case itself, you're pretty much good for a very long time. In terms of calls, in case you're using one of these, as business or something like that, you can answer by simply tapping once. You can also hang up by long pressing for 2 seconds. You can also play and pause by using the same touch controls, or you can double click and Siri will turn on. But the best of all, noise cancellation, normal and transparent. You just long press for a little bit, 3 seconds or so, and it will turn it on and off. It's perfect for commuting, business trips, going to sports games, or maybe even just, getting a little peace and quiet for a few seconds. And if you're trying to sleep on the airplane, noise cancellation is amazing. Just slide them in your ear, and you don't even need to hear the airplane. You're good to go. All in all, I give these a nice solid 10 out of 10. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, so leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be me logging